Here are 5 red flags that can make a Florida will totally invalid. Red flag number 1, no witnesses. Florida law requires 2 witnesses that are present at the exact same time while the will is being signed. Red flag number 2, a will that is not signed by the person who made it. In Florida, we do not accept unsigned wills. Red flag number 3, undue influence. If someone is pressured into signing a will, that can create a challenge to the will during the probate process. Red flag number 4, mental incapacity. You must be of sound mind when you sign your will, and so confusion or dementia can raise some serious questions. Red flag number 5, DIY wills from the internet. Not all templates follow Florida law, and one small mistake can lead to the entire will being tossed. Want peace of mind? Get your will done the right way. Comment "plan" to receive a free estate planning checklist. Hi, I'm Alecia C. Daniel, owner of Genesis Law. Like and subscribe for more estate planning and probate tips.